How to lay flower bed bricks. Bricks can make an attractive walkway and/or divider in your garden, and they are inexpensive as well. Here are a few ideas for laying them. First, decide what shape and pattern of bricks you want. You might get some ideas by looking at a garden supply store online. Sketch out a basic pattern for your walkway. Then go outside and use a stick or shovel to draw out a pattern in your yard. Write down the measurements for your space to take to the garden or home repair store, and take them with you. Also, make note of your soil. Is it sandy, clay, rocky? The store associate will be able to tell you if you need anything extra to lay your bricks on, and they will also be able to help you estimate the amount of bricks you will need. You can make beautiful patterns with bricks if you buy varied colors. You might also consider laying a slanted border with rectangle bricks. Just remember, the smaller bricks that you buy, the more you have to haul and lay. Same goes for the bigger the area you brick in, the harder and longer the project. Remember that the bricks will sink in the ground over time, so don't worry about digging too deep when laying them out initially. Just try to make sure to begin with an even surface. Tips warnings. Check Craigslist or FreeCycle before you buy your bricks. You might find someone who is giving them away or selling them for much cheaper.